Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a lean environment. Install Android Studio with SDK 31 Plus and NDK, and import AR Core or AR Foundation. Once done, create a new project from the AR template and add Sceniform or Unity packages so the AR pipeline is in place. Make sure your Android manifest declares camera and AR features. If you skip permissions, you'll hit runtime failures. You want a minimal working scene now, a camera stream and a detected plane, so you can iterate quickly. Now you implement core features. Detect planes, perform hit tests, and create anchors where users tap. You should load GLTF or GLB models and optimize them. Lower poly count and compress textures reduce CPU/GPU load. Once objects are anchored, handle session lifecycle. Resume and pause sessions on activity changes, request camera permissions gracefully, and throttle rendering to save battery. Make sure to test on multiple devices for performance. Profiling shows why you must optimize meshes and limit real-time lighting. To finish, polish interactions and visuals. Add UI prompts, implement occlusion with depth or depth API, and adapt lighting to the environment so objects blend. Then prepare release. Target the proper SDK, sign your APK or AAB, and confirm AR Core compatibility for supported devices. If things go wrong, first verify camera permission and that AR Core is installed and up to date. Recalibrate sensors and test on a known working device to isolate hardware versus code issues. Submit and monitor user feedback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.